Welcome to the Funeral Program Site question and answer video series. Today's question is, does Google Docs have a funeral program template? Google Docs is a free online tool that enables anyone to create a funeral program either from scratch or from a ready-made template. Use any computer with an internet connection and sign into your Gmail account to access this free, easy-to-use online resource. You can then begin creating your funeral program from a blank canvas. If you are short on time, using a Google Docs funeral program template is recommended. The ready-to-use funeral template already provides the layout and background. Just add your text and photos, then print it on your own home printer or locally. The Funeral Program Site is your best resource to find a large variety of funeral program templates for Google Docs. We provide immediate access so you can begin editing shortly after purchase. We also provide quick, helpful videos to assist you, if needed. Get started today and view all of the templates ready for you, only available at the-funeral-program-site.com.